Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my knotless box braids at home. If you're new to this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. For this hairstyle, I'm using 3 packets of the OG Expression. This is definitely the best hair for braiding. And as you guys can see, I decided to cut it into 2 because I wanted my hair to be quite long. You can cut it into 3 or 4 if you want your hair to be short, but I like it long, so I cut it into 2. Right now, as you guys can see, I'm pulling the ends of the hair to make it uneven rather than straight. This trick adds more length to your hair if you wanted it, depending on how you pull it. And it also makes your braids stay in. I know a lot of times people have asked me, how do I make my braids stay in without adding any elastic bands or without burning the end? And doing this is the trick. I have a detailed video on how to prep your hair for braiding. So if you guys are interested, make sure you go ahead and watch that video. It's really gonna help. When braiding my hair, I like to use gel or my Red One hair wax to add around the hair just to make it easier to grip. I know a lot of people have really soft hair, so this trick can really help you guys. I followed the square pattern for this hairstyle because one, it was a lot easier for me. I can't see the back, so I used my fingers to really guide me. And square was the easiest shape to follow. And also because the square just looks really good when the braids are bigger. I've decided not to do too much talking in this video because the style is pretty repetitive, you guys. It's quite hard to explain how to do knotless braids, but there are so many tutorials on YouTube, and hopefully by watching this video you guys can sort of see what I'm doing. But guys, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and of course leave a comment down below, leave a thumbs up, tell me what you think, and just enjoy the video, guys. After braids, I decided to add some beads to the tip of the braids just to add a little more, just to make it look more just to make it look different from my usual braids, and I really liked the results. Tell me what you guys think in the comment box. After doing all of this, you want to make sure you do your edges. I always tell you guys, your edges really adds more flavor to your hair. You can have a really nice hairstyle and your edges not being done will just ruin it. So make sure you do your edges, girls, okay? And that's all for today, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did learn something and if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.